job. Well, everyone, we're here working on Alfonso again. We went to the Lakeland Classic, got some stuff at the swap meet, and now I'm gonna tackle this window again. I don't know what is with these side windows. I keep telling you guys, we had like 8-9 times on that one we had to try. This, I think I did 3 or 4, but the seal, it was so tight getting in here, and I didn't even get it in all the way. Actually, I cut the seal, trimmed it up some of the in here, but it was so tight it actually sliced through the bottom of the seal of the window. So I don't know what's with these seals I got. So I got a VW West seal. So that's the next step. So we're gonna try popping this out. Other side here.
Just make sure the glass doesn't.
Yeah, that's just our concern right now.
Pretty snug over here.
What's that?
Pretty snug over here.
Yeah, okay.
If we get this in, we can give her a good bath.
Yeah. That's what I'm hoping to do anyway. Damn, it's tight in there, huh?
The irony of us trying to get this out right now.
Yeah. It's just so tight in there. I have it so tight. The seal is so tight, you know?
There it goes.
Gee dear. Go. Slice along. All right, so we got the new seal on the glass here. I actually put, I'm trying everything right now. I actually put grease in the track here. Maybe that might help a little bit. My dad did that on a vehicle and he said that worked really well. I figure if anything, it'll protect it from rusting. So we're gonna go that route. So let's do that now. I use weed eater wire. People recommend different stuff. I always like this. I try to get the one that's smooth on the sides. Some of it's a little abrasive. It's a little sharp. This one's a smooth one, so I've had luck with that. I've used rope before. I used twine before, and I don't know if it works any better or less. I use this so I don't possibly break it. I don't want to have my twine or anything break in the track. Okay, so what I'm using is a soap and water spray. So Dawn dish soap and water. So I'm gonna spray this real nice. I already sprayed the track. I'm gonna go around to the other side. Really hoping, I really hope we can.
I hope so too, because this is about the 74th time we've done this. Probably better for you to be in here.
Let's see if I can. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
Probably.
let's switch.
That's not good though.
Just living the dream.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, you're gonna have to.
I'm scared that glass is gonna fall.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I
So.
need to get in.
Yep. So you hold there. You have to do a lot of pushing, and I think what we're gonna have to do is pull the
This ain't my first rodeo.
We have to probably pull the bus out to get to that because I can't even push on it a little bit better here, but it's just like the other one doesn't feel it now. Just like it. I didn't feel too big. I wonder how they did this.
You want to start at the top? Oh shit. That's promising. Here, do you want me to go up there and you pull the...
Oh.
So close. Yeah, keep going.
Get it, step on the line. Really works good. Pressure, at least in this corner, you need to push. Yeah, tight. Let me do something. You have to pull this. This may help, possibly. Now push here, you need to push it.
Here?
Yep. It's not going in. Not even. Top maybe here. Get it done. I'll push it in.
It's freaking in though. Good job, dear. You did most of it this time.
This is truly a great experience. Maybe it's the seals. This is a Wolfsburg West. Now, I did bang down on tap the frame on here, try to widen a little bit. So I bent it down a little bit. One time to get this window in. Wolfsburg West seals for the win. You know, I think if I ever do this again, especially these side windows, I'm gonna go with Wolfsburg West seals. Honestly, they look about the same. I don't know. I mean, these may be a little bit thinner around the quarter window. Is it quarter window here? But they went in well, so it's in. I mean, I can't. You know, this I'm gonna have to work this a little bit. This little quarter window, but we're in. So yeah. Got to go ahead and tackle the interior next, so I'm going to be going to getting glue on, and we're going to go ahead and start cutting them out and doing the whole interior. We're going to do the floor. I think I'm going to do looking at doing a linoleum, try to get close to the original with white and maybe some speckling in it. I think it's going to be like the old 12 by 12 tiles. We'll see what I can come up with. So, I mean, yeah, that's where we're at right now. So the interior is next. I think we might work on that tomorrow. We got a little car show downtown New Rinchi, so we're gonna attend that and then kind of go from there. But thanks for watching. Interior. I can't get that. Maybe we could spray that frame, or actually I'll do it here. I get glass, I get a different,
I know.
spray out that.
I'm just letting you admire it completed and cleaned.
What we'll do is I'll go ahead and spray this in here, the frame.
Well, do we need to push this over more? Remember last time we had to kind of tap it in?
Try. I don't know how to do it anymore. I mean, that won't change anything as far as the.
Or that needs to go this way?
No, I mean it should still seal, right? You know.
Cut this piece right here. Quite a gap there.
Yeah, big gap.
I thought we were done.
pushing on it now.
Up.
Okay.
That's a big no. Oops. That was so. Well, once we get that done, then we can pressure wash the bus. Because it's looking a little grimy. We should have just done a solid window. Still a gap up here.
Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do about it. I got a gap on that window too.